Well, when it comes to healthcare, you definitely want to be seen by someone who knows what they're doing.
Yeah, and someone who has some real life experience. Well, now one school in the Grand Strand is giving that to its students without putting patients at risk.
So you can actually practice before you actually go into the hospitals and deal with the real patients.
We're going to show you exactly how they're doing it when live local late-breaking coverage continues on air and online on WNBF News at 6. Nursing students in the Grand Strand are getting the chance to work with cutting-edge technology designed to teach them how to treat you.
Horry Georgetown Technical College is actually leading the state when it comes to giving its students hands-on experience. WNBF News anchor and education reporter Chandy Lowry is live in the studio. And Chandy, this is technology that's really getting those students ready for real-world settings, right?
That's right, Michael and Danner. After hitting the books hard and taking tests, nursing students usually step away from the classroom, head into the hospitals, and start working on real patients for their clinical studies. But one college in the Grand Strand wants to make sure those students get some extra practice on someone, or rather something else, before they're by your bedside.
Oh, I can't breathe and my chest hurts. Help!
These nursing students aren't talking to real people. Instead, they're working on simulators.
Mr. Simman, we understand that you're experiencing some pain.
These mannequins can do everything you and I can do, from blinking their eyes and crying to bleeding and breathing or wheezing.
So we can teach lung sounds with these, which is great for the students who may have never heard abnormal lung sounds before.
They even give nursing students unexpected challenges, obstacles meant to remind them anything can happen in an emergency room. Take a look at how this one suddenly has a seizure. Instructors get behind computers and control the mannequins. Students say they like the challenge, along with the freedom of being able to master their patient assessments by using them.
We're lucky to have such a wonderful program here at Horry Georgetown Tech, and lucky to have all these great mannequins to work on.
Horry Georgetown Technical College is collaborating with several other colleges in the state to make sure all nursing students have access to simulators. The Dean of Allied Health, Business, and Tourism says it's an example of Governor Nikki Haley's initiative, not to just combine resources in the state, but also instruction.
It's so important during these times of economic depravity that 2- and 4-year and even graduate schools can cooperate to further the education of South Carolina's young people.
Nursing instructors say these mannequins really help them get ready to work in real-life situations.
This greatly helps prepare our students for the situations that they'll have clinically and able to practice and prepare on our simulators before interacting with our clients in the hospitals.
So now they're gaining a new confidence and professionalism when they go in and meet with their real patients.
Oh, it's wonderful using the mannequins. You get the hands-on experience, so you can actually practice before you actually go into the hospitals and deal with the real patients.
And HGTC is an example of leading the way in technology and education with the most simulators in the state.
I'm feeling very dizzy.
We are state of the art. Horry Georgetown Technical College really does strive to be the best there is.
Now, if you're wondering how much these simulators cost, they're about $80,000 each. Now, they're also wireless, so more advanced nursing students can take them out into the field and practice real-life scenarios like car crashes. Live in the studio, I'm Chandy Lowry for WNBF News.